What happens when you take the legendary Mercedes-AMG G63 and inject it with pure, unadulterated Brabus insanity? You get the G800, a 788 horsepower luxury fortress on wheels. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement, a masterpiece of engineering, and today we're dissecting every brutal, opulent detail. Brabus doesn't just modify cars, they redefine them. Starting with the already monstrous AMG G63, they strip it down and rebuild it into something far more extreme. Wider fenders, carbon fiber aggression, and that signature Brabus badging that tells the world, this is no ordinary G-Wagon. Underneath that sculpted hood lies a 4.0L V8 biturbo, massaged to an earth-shaking 788 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. That's enough to launch this 2.5-ton beast to 62 mph in just 4.1 seconds, faster than some supercars, and with a top speed electronically limited to 174 mph. The G800 doesn't just dominate off-road, it owns the Autobahn. Every inch of the G800 screams dominance. The widened carbon fiber body kit isn't just for looks, it enhances aerodynamics as much as a brick can. The 23-inch forged monoblock wheels are wrapped in high-performance tires, while the illuminated Brabus running boards add a touch of theater every time you step in. Inside, pure luxury meets motorsport. Mastic leather, Alcantara headliner, and enough carbon fiber to make an F1 driver jealous. The Brabus branded steering wheel, custom dials, and illuminated door sills remind you, this is no ordinary SUV. Exclusivity comes at a cost. The Brabus G800 starts at for over 400,000 more, nearly double a standard G63. But for that price, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a cause hand-built masterpiece, a symbol of power, and a machine that fewer than 100 people will ever own. So is it worth it? If you have to ask, you probably can't afford it. The Brabus G800 isn't just the ultimate G-Wagon, it's one of the most brutal luxury SUVs ever built. A perfect fusion of opulence and insanity. What do you think? Could this be the ultimate status symbol, or is it just overkill? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more high-octane content. Until next time, drive fast, stay ruthless.